Magandang araw sa inyo, PSIM Misamis Oriental Chapter. Ako na magsasabi sa inyo na you really deserve to become one of the best chapters in the PSIM organization. And of course, ako na rin ang magsasabi na karapat-dapat lang nabigyan ng pagtatanging karangalan ng inyong Pangulo, si President Rex Logronio, as one of the chapter president, most outstanding chapter presidents. And congratulations sa inyong first anniversary. Marami na kayong nagawa sa loob na isang taon, no? At natutuwa rin ako na nangyari lahat yan doon sa panahong ako ang inyong Pangulo ng PSIM. And as I will always say, dapat nga may award pa kayo na from among the chapters who have really created and organized or chartered another chapters aside from their chapter, no? And nakita ko na you are willing to forgo or to give out your best people to be able to start up another chapter in your area. That's a very good sign of leadership, and saludo ako sa ganyan, no? At nakita ko din kung gaano kayo ay nagpupursige na maipaliwanag sa ibang mga miyembro pa ng ating profesyon na makasama natin sa PSIM. Ang taong nagdaan ay hindi pa tapos, pero para sa inyo ay mag-iisang taon na kayo, and it's really nice to recall all the things that you have done in your chapter, and we are not, it's not hidden to us. Kaya nga, pag-handle ko yung social media, I would always say na it's worth sharing all this that you have been doing in the chapter, and of course, for other new chapters to look at a chapter who can serve to them as models, no? So happy anniversary sa inyo, and hindi ko man kayo narating ngayon at naalala nyo na nandyan ako noon on my own expense para sa inyong kauna-unahang general membership meeting. Siyempre, that's my way of inspiring all of you, and my way of really telling you na isa kayo sa chapters na pwedeng maging potensyal na chapter sa buong bansa. At let's continue growing. Let's continue with our creative and innovative programs, no? Sa October, tulungan nyo kami na makapaglabas ng programa na may kinalaman sa pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya nga, sana after this message, gamitin ninyo yung ating profile, may magagawa sa bayan, para maalala natin na tayong mga mechanical engineers, as I have mentioned in our national convention, pwede tayong maging daan para guminhawa naman ang buhay ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. So again, maraming salamat, at happy anniversary sa PSIM Misamis Oriental Chapter.